Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here. In this video, we'll be discussing a master community named Masar by Arada, where you are getting 2 to 5 bedroom townhouses and villas. Arada is UAE's now fastest growing developer, founded in 2017, so now it has been over 8 years. The company is led by His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Ahmed Al Qasmi, a member of Sharjah ruling family, and Prince Khalid bin Al Walid. So Arada has already delivered multiple communities named as Nasama Residences and Al Jada, where they have gained a lot of strong reputation for quality construction, timely delivery, and of course investors' confidence. They have also managed to collaborate with top brands. They have a very known project on Palm Jumeirah named as Armani Residences. They are also working in DIFC, so they are now coming up in premium segment as well. So for now, we'll be discussing Masar 3. Masar 1 is almost completed. Masar 2 is sold out in a year. It was launched earlier this year, which is now completely sold out. So Masar 3, we will be discussing first two phases, where you are getting 2 bedroom townhouses to 4 bedroom townhouses and 5 bedroom ultra luxury villas. Masar is a master planned forest community covering over 19 million square feet, featuring over 4,000 villas and townhouses across 7 gated districts. The highlight is natural green spine, where you are getting 50,000 plus trees, a cycling track of over 13 km, and a jogging trails that create definitely a healthy and peaceful lifestyle. Masar 3 continues this vision with 2,700 plus new units ranging from 2 to 5 bedroom townhouses and villas, all designed with smart home features and spacious layouts. So you can say it is a part of over 40.3 million square feet of community. This community is one of the largest community in Sharjah. We have other master communities like Damak Hills 2, Damak Hills, Damak Lagoons, or even by Imar as well. But if we compare it with Sharjah, this is going to be one of the largest community in Sharjah. Currently, they are launching only 2 clusters, and we have seen in any community in Dubai or Sharjah, whenever a developer launches its community in phases, the first 2 phases or the first phases are the cheapest one in terms of prices, and following those clusters, we have an appreciation and increment from the developer side, maybe 10 to 15%, and then towards the end, this increment is going to increase to 20% or in some cases to 30% as well. And we have seen in case of the Damak Lagoons, where the first phase was launched at 1.6 million, and now the last cluster Morocco is selling out at 2.9 million dirham. So definitely it is a good time to jump in whenever a new community is launching. The first cluster is definitely there to catch up, as you are getting the cheapest prices and the best locations as well. Talking about the location, Masar has direct access from Emirates Road E611, and you can say like most of the communities are on Emirates Road right now. We can see Aldar is coming up with its new communities on Emirates Road. We have Acres by Miras. Even though Damak has launched new communities like Damak Sun City, Damak Island, which is also on Emirates Road. And when a developer is moving out, definitely for 19 million square feet of community, you cannot find this much of space within the city. So you have to move out. On terms of location, it is right at the border of Dubai and Sharjah. It is right next to Sharjah Mosque as well. So you have an easy connectivity. If we talk about the numbers, it is about like 15 minutes away from Sharjah International Airport, and from Dubai International Airport, it is going to be just 20 minutes away. Talking about the prices and the layouts, 2 bedroom townhouses are going to be the middle units, where you are getting a 1950 square feet of area. Prices are starting from 1.79 million dirhams. These are the starting prices. Definitely it is going to change onto the location and the layouts as well. So for townhouses for 3 bedroom, we have middle units, also we have the corner units. Middle ones are around 2280 square feet. The prices for those are starting from 2.3 million dirhams. For a corner unit 3 bedroom, it is starting from like 2.6 million dirhams. Of an average size is 2350 square feet. Talking about the villas, we have 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom independent villas. 4 bedroom basically comes in 2 layouts. One is with swimming pool, other one is without the swimming pool. Both are L-shaped. I'll also attach the layouts right next to me. Other than this, 4 bedroom for a normal villa is starting from 3750 square feet, and the prices are going to start from 3.99 million dirhams, or you can say 4 million dirhams. For a signature villa 4 bedroom, which is of a size of 4350 square feet, the prices are going to start from 5 million dirhams. For a 5 bedroom normal villa, it is starting from 5000 square feet. Price is 5.6 million dirhams. For a signature villa of 5 bedroom, you are going to get ground plus 2 structure, and the size is around 6600 square feet. Prices are going to start from 6.89 million dirhams. Talking about the payment plans, this is the best part, and I like it the most. Like, you can book a unit with only 5% of down payment, 4% you have to pay land department fees, which is SLD. In Dubai we have DLD. So in terms of total payment, you are paying 9%, but down payment goes like 5% you have to pay at the time of booking. 35% during construction, you can pay after every 6 months. Handover is gonna be in 2028. So 35 of the remaining payments you have to pay 35% during construction and 60% on the time of handover. So the best thing about this one is we can sell it out as the unit is gonna be ready and it won't be of the same price at the time after 3 years. Or even we can go for the mortgage or even rent it out, but 60% of the remaining payment we have to pay at the time of receiving the keys. So this makes it pretty much affordable for both families and investors planning ahead. So if you are searching for a home with modern design and a nature-friendly environment, Masar 3 is worth considering just because it is backed by Sharjah royal family and global investors as well. You are getting an easy payment plan and you are definitely connected with nature as well. And in terms of demand, with definitely townhouses and villas are more in demand as compared to the apartments, just because you are getting a private space, you are getting private piece of land, you are owning that piece of land, and also you are getting a private parking, which is a big concern in Dubai and Sharjah. So for now, closing up this video, if you want to know anything more about the layouts and the prices, just send me a WhatsApp. My real estate consultant team, my services are there for you. See you in the next video. Until then, it's goodbye.